After login, you will land on the Zoho Projects home dashboard. This dashboard acts as your personal control center and provides an overview of everything that requires your attention. On the left-hand side, you will see the navigation menu. This menu allows you to access key modules such as Home, Reports, Projects, Collaboration, Tasks, and Issues. At the top of the screen, the global dashboard displays summary counts of open and closed tasks and issues across all projects you are involved in. On the main screen, the My Tasks section shows all tasks that are currently assigned to you. If no tasks are assigned, a message will appear confirming this. On the right side, the My Issues section lists any issues or blockers assigned to you. As you scroll down the dashboard, you will see additional widgets, such as tasks due today, overdue work items, time logs, project phases, and team tasks if you manage others. To customize your dashboard, click on Add Widget at the top right. From here, you can add charts, KPI summaries, time logs, or analytics dashboards to tailor the screen to your role and responsibilities. It is recommended to review your dashboard daily to stay updated on priorities, deadlines, and overall project progress. Next, we will explore how to access projects and manage tasks and issues. Projects, tasks, and issue management. To access your projects, click on Projects from the left-hand navigation menu. This opens the Projects page, which displays all active projects you have access to. Each row shows important project details, such as the project name, owner, status, completion percentage, number of tasks, and issues. You can switch between List View and Grid View using the View options at the top. Filters and sorting options allow you to quickly locate projects based on owner, status, or timelines. Clicking on a project name opens the project workspace. Inside a project, you will see tabs such as Dashboard, Tasks, Reports, Documents, Issues, and Users. Select the Tasks tab to view and manage work items. Tasks are typically displayed in a Kanban board grouped by status such as Open, In Progress, In Review, and Closed. Each task card shows the task name, ID, associated project, deadline, and quick action icons. You can move a task from one status to another to reflect actual progress. To create a new task, click on Add Task. Select the relevant project, enter a clear and descriptive task name, and add a description if required. Assign the task to the appropriate owner and set a due date to ensure accountability. Selecting Add will create the task. The Issues module is used to track bugs, blockers, or risks that may affect the project. To view issues, click on Issues from the navigation menu. To submit a new issue, click on Submit Issue. Select the project, enter the issue name, and provide a detailed description. Choose the severity and priority levels, and assign the issue to a responsible person. Attach screenshots or files if necessary, then select Submit. Issues should be updated regularly to ensure full visibility and faster resolution. Every great solution starts with an idea. Tell us your vision, and we'll design the next steps and workflow to bring it to life. DM us or comment now. We will provide this in 1 hour.